What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Come here. Look, I don't have anything, right? Come here. I'm down the river. Right. I don't have anything, right?
Yeah.
Check my hand. I'm in a farm.
Well, fucking farm then.
Look.
Oh shit.
See? It's one step of making a map.
There's a village over there.
No, don't go to the village yet.
Okay, now I'm gonna make things.
I'm gonna do a Hokage move. Why?
Hey,
I got your sword. I got your sword, bro. Fight?
hey. Stop it.
Wait. I'm sorry for that.
What should I build? 2, 1, again, 2, 1, again, 2, 1. Okay, ancient fences. So that 1, 2. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Wait, what?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You go visit the house. I'm gonna visit the village. See you later.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I'm gonna visit the village. Woo!
5, 6. Hey, we need food, idiot.
I'm gonna get the food. You do the house. Deal?
Deal. What the hell?
Ooh, I need carrots.
Carrot.
Oh no, it rained.
Woo, a lot of bad stuff to do when it rains.
Oh, you watch out for that skeleton horse trap.
Skeleton what?
Skeleton horse trap.
Skelabadua?
Skeleton horse trap.
Oh, what are we gonna do with that?
Don't go near the horse.
Well, okay.
Any horse, don't go near the horse. The horse.
Herd?
Horse!
Just joking,
But
eh?
there's a herd.
Herd of rain. Yes! I'm struck by lightning.
Wait, what?
No more. Bad idea. Bad idea.
You just struck my lightning. No way.
Fuck this, I'm out.
I'm so gonna die in laughter.
Okay, guys, I'm back. I don't wanna fucking go back in the fucking thing.
But it's so. I still. Is it raining hard for you?
Yes. By yours.
Not much.
So guys, I'm gonna continue this video, and I think I'm gonna post this right about now.
No, not. I have a present for you.
What?
Come here. No. I'm just gonna go there. Wait.
I don't wanna adjust, nigga. I've
Do
been
you want
struck by a
armor?
lightning twice.
You don't want armor? Fine.
Hey, what armor? Where?
I won't tell you. Don't look at my screen.
Where are you?
I'm nowhere.
You idiot! You lost yourself.
I'm nowhere.
Oh, there you are. There you are. Oh, there.
I won't show you something.
There you have a pickaxe. Why the hell do you have pickaxe?
Do you have wool or something?
Wool?
Wool?
Let me see. How many wool?
free. Ow.
Excuse.
Oh, I saw lightning. It's scary.
No, shits.
Okay, if you give me free wool, I'll give you this.
What? Why they have an iron?
I saw a blacksmith in the village.
You idiot! You said you weren't gonna go to the.
I said, I'm gonna get some food.
You.
Ooh, a skeleton horse trap! No.
What horse shop?
You see that skeleton horse? Ah!
Yeah.
I'm out of here!
Why the hell do you need to do this? Tell me. Now I'm fucking lost again.
Turn off the difficulty! Hurry!
I turn off the difficulty, nice and easy. It's on peaceful anyway.
No more.
Rain, go away, you idiot. What did you do?
Ooh, I can ride the horse.
Oh, I'm lost. Fucking bitch.
Oh.
So I'm gonna end this video right here.
No, don't end it yet.
Idiot.
Just do some secrets here. Don't end it yet.
Get me back in that shit.
No.
Oh, I'm back to my shit. Oh, shit. I'm back on my crib. Look.
Where's your quib? Ooh, I have armor.
Yeah.
An iron helmet.
Don't get my stuff on the. That's for the house. Don't you get it?
I won't get anything. No. Just standing by with the skeleton horse. Hurry up! I can't see your name tag. And do you want food? I have bread.
No apple. Where the hell is that anyways? Oh yeah, I don't. Oh shit, I forgot how to. Oh shoot.
Oh!
Shoot.
How are you?
Okay, now let me try this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So I'm just gonna parkour over there and go back to the portal and go back to another portal right here.
Are you having some struggling there? Gamers, are you having some struggle?
And I'm back over here. No, wait. Ah, shit. I'm lost again.
Good luck!
You idiot, why did you broke the fucking thing?
I didn't broke it.
You broke it.
No.
I'm gonna replay it.
No.
Until I did it.
No.
You did it.
No.
Yes.
I'm just staying here, waiting for you.
Woo! I need some. Where the?
I'm just waiting for you. You lost or something?
Yeah, oh, there. Wait.
Ooh! Oh, I saw lightning! That means you're there.
Yeah, I saw it too. North, east, west, south. Where? Where?
Which direction is facing the sun?
Sun? What sun?
Sun!
Sama mawawa. There's
Oh
no.
god, the lightning again!
There's no sun here.
I see sun.
Maybe the moon.
That's on Goku.
It's foggy over here.
Me either. I'm lagging! So many raindrops.
Nope, don't go over there. Yep, I'm lost.
You're freakishly lost.
I'm a lost kid.
You can do it.
I need light. Why?
I also need light.
Options.
No?
because of you, I'm lost. Let's go get some charcoal over here. And I'm gonna find my way out over here. Nope, I can't. Shit, kill me. Alright, I'm gonna kill my gas. Wait, if you kill a gas, would you respawn on the nether or the island? There's no water over here, by the way. There's no water. Just a spooky island. I'ma turn up my difficulty and bye-bye. Why?
What do you mean Wi-Fi? I'm gonna end this video here, guys, because gamers is freakishly lost. So, disconnected, and I'll see you in the next series episode. Bye!
A guy back and he fucking left the game. Where are those fuckers? They're on a cliff right here. Blow my ass up. Hey, somebody want to blow my ass up? They're still here.
Drown yourself!
Oh yeah, man. Drown.
Yeah.
Yeah, 25 seconds to get. What the fuck am I?
You see that? Go there.
Yeah, go. Follow my finger.
If you don't see my screen. Yeah, go there. We will not escape the North Square.
Right there.
Don't go near there. Yeah, go there. Now do you remember?
Wow, that's a shit.
No, just keep going.
What for is this place? Oh, there's a village over here. Now I remember. There's the thing.
No, not there, not there. No, go there. Now do you remember?
Yes, I know. Straight or go left or right? You think, right? You got there? Here?
Wait. Go to the top of the tree. No, the skeleton horse trap. No, that's the skeleton trap. Wait. Come here.
Nah, yeah, nah. Why did you finish it? Never finish it anyway. Bro, I just need the shade for the rain. I just need the shade. Don't go near that hole. Don't you dare go near that hole. Where did you go? Why the fuck did you do it? So, again guys, I'm gonna leave the video right here. So, keep updated with my video. So, bye.